Dan Perry here with another danontech computer applications video for Northeast State Community College. Okay, I have a short document here and it's got a couple of typos in it. In fact, the word typing is misspelled. If you look after the word start where it says TYPNG, you'll see a little squiggly red line under it, and right below that MRGIN as well. Those are errors, and anytime as you're typing there's a word that Word doesn't recognize, it's not in its dictionary, it's going to underline it with those squiggly lines. Now, we'll look at how we can use the spell check to correct those or help us correct those in a later video. But for now, I want to correct them manually. So let's say, okay, my cursor is here in the space. We already know that I can either go up and click with my left mouse button to where I want to make changes or move the cursor, or I can use my arrow keys to move the cursor. So I want to put the cursor between the P and the N, and if I start typing now, any characters that I type will be placed at the cursor position, and it will place those characters between the letters P and N. And to illustrate that, I'm going to just do a couple of capital Z's so you can see that better. And let me get rid of those. And if I correct that, though, and actually type the I, now my squiggly line goes away. Same thing if I come down here for where I misspelled margin, type an A, and that goes away. So I can edit a document by placing my cursor where I want to put it or where I want to insert a character and just start typing the character and it will go there. Now if I start typing additional text, what's going to happen with a word wrap? Well, let's watch. So you could see there as I typed, it adjusted where those words wrapped. So as long as I hadn't hit enter by mistake to add a new paragraph, it's going to keep wrapping those words properly for me. Now, if I want to get rid of characters, if I put my cursor here just after the G, it's before the blank space, just after the G. If I hit the delete key, it deletes the character to the right of the cursor, which is that blank space in this case. Now there's no blank between the G and the T in text, so if I hit the delete key, it deletes the T in text. Now, if instead I hit the backspace key, it deletes the character to the left. So backspace in this case got rid of the G, backspace again got rid of the N, and then the I. So I can get rid of the character to the left of the cursor with the backspace key, the character to the right of the cursor with the delete key. And I'll go ahead and change that. Thank you for watching this danontech video for Northeast State Community College. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos.